Hey everybody, Ale Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com. And if you are planning to visit Orlando to enjoy a well-earned vacation with your family this year, Universal Orlando offers the most exciting and fun-filled resorts for guests of all ages. But what is there to do for the family outside of the theme parks? Okay, before we answer that question, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when these videos pop up. Universal Citywalk is a wonderful place to check out. So let's talk about the many different dining spots and live entertainment offered at Citywalk that appeal to everyone. Whether you want to enjoy live music, have good food and drinks, shop for clothes, or play some mini golf in Orlando, Citywalk is just the place for you. Citywalk opened in 1999, beginning as an extension of the Universal Studios theme park. It is operational every day from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and is most busy in December through January, March, April, and June, September. The best days to visit are between September and November. It is located in the center of Universal Orlando Resort, consisting of many compelling live shows, merchandise stores, and restaurants with delicious food. Citywalk has many exceptional restaurants with a wide range of food and cuisines that satisfy your every craving and leave you wishing for more with their mouth-watering tastes. Signature foods include shrimp from Bubba Gump Shrimp Company and the famous tasty burgers of Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. You can also head to Bob Marley's Tribute to Freedom, which offers delicious Caribbean food and is one of the best restaurants in Citywalk. Some other restaurants that don't go unnoticed include Vivo Italian Restaurant, Hot Dog Hall of Fame, Bend the Bayo, and Hard Rock Cafe, among many others. There are also many inviting clubs and bars in Citywalk with an exquisite and diverse selection of drinks. This is one of the top 5 questions for things to do in Orlando. The Red Coconut Club is an exclusive club that is the perfect place for you if you want to dance the night away. The famous bars include Pat O'Brien's Bar, which is a franchise of the original restaurant in New Orleans. Their hurricane drink is phenomenal. It's world famous for its taste and potency. Soon, a new experience will be opening in Citywalk for the whole family as well. Universal's great movie Escape is an escape room like no other. It has reimagined puzzles and rooms themed to Jurassic World and Back to the Future. It is set to open this fall, not to be missed. In addition to the great food and drinks at Citywalk, there are also many great places to shop for merchandise and accessories, which let you take home more than just smiles and memories. Shopping is always popular among things to do in Orlando. Whether you want to purchase theme park merchandise from Universal Studios Store, vintage props from the Universal Legacy Store, or some stylish surfboards from the Quiet Flight Surf Shop, Citywalk is just the place to do so. Delicious refreshments and quality stores are key parts of Citywalk, but the main features that make it an excellent attraction for guests are the live entertainment and the music. It is a dream destination for music lovers, as there are many venues for musical performances and shows. Rising Star is a karaoke club where the whole family can enjoy singing together and witness performances by a live band with backup singers. Hard Rock Live is a performance venue adjacent to the cafe, and live groups also light up the stage daily at Jimmy Buffett's. Universal's Cinemark is a prestigious and widely renowned theater that many families frequent to enjoy films together. Still, there is nothing quite like the drive-in mini golf course, arguably the best mini golf place in Orlando. It has a couple of beautifully detailed theme courses, which makes it a must-visit spot for anyone who wishes to play mini golf at Universal Orlando. The movie-themed escape room is also an intriguing venue for those who like to solve puzzles and mysteries. Okay, now that you know all the superb facilities and attractions offered at Universal Citywalk, choosing this place to visit with your family surely becomes easy. But to place the cherry on top, Universal Orlando offers money-saving discounts throughout the year, so you can enjoy quality time with your family and save as much as you can while doing so. Check out our Universal Vacation packages offered at OrlandoVacation.com so you can spend the least and enjoy the most. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.